गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता देना चाहूँगा, मैं जानना चाहूँगा आपसे कि इस वीडियो क्लिप में क्या मेरी आवाज़ आपको स्पष्ट रूप से सुनाई पड़ रही है, क्योंकि जस्ट इसके पहले जो वीडियो क्लिप आपने देखा, ये वीडियो क्लिप आई थिंक कि 30 जून को 30 जून 2021 को उसको शूट किया गया था, जस्ट इसके पहले वाले वीडियो क्लिप में। लेकिन कुछ ऐसी स्थिति आई कि जिसकी वजह से मैं पोस्ट नहीं कर सका। लेकिन उस वीडियो क्लिप में आवाज़ मेरी आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत हद तक आवाज़ काफ़ी फंस चुका था। मैं काफ़ी प्रयास करके मैं एक एक शब्द को बोल रहा था, क्योंकि उसके ठीक पहले लगातार एक एक दिन में 2-2, 3-3 वीडियो क्लिप्स बनाए गए, और लगातार 3 वीडियो क्लिप्स बनाए जाने की वजह से गले पे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस पड़ा, ज़्यादा दबाव पड़ने की वजह से आवाज़ बिल्कुल चप सी गई थी, गला फंस चुका था। सो कम ऑन, आज के इस वीडियो क्लिप में मैं आपको लेकर के चलता हूं। मैंने बताया था जैसा कि एडजेक्टिव आइडेंटिफिकेशन का आपको वीडियो क्लिप मिलेगा, जो मिला आपको। नेक्स्ट एडजेक्टिव टाइप्स का वीडियो क्लिप, और एडजेक्टिव अराइवल का वीडियो क्लिप, और लास्ट एडजेक्टिव कंपैरिजन का। At least 4 video clips would be provided to you for getting the clear identification, for getting the clear conception especially of adjectives. So आज का ये वीडियो क्लिप आप देख रहे हैं एडजेक्टिव अराइवल पे है। एडजेक्टिव के अराइवल के अनुसार ही कि कोई एडजेक्टिव हमारा किसी सेंटेंस में कैसे आता है, उसका प्रयोग कैसे होता है, उसके अराइवल, एज पर द अराइवल ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव इन द सेंटेंस, it is divided into 2 types, 2 forms. The first is attributive adjective, means the attributive adjective comes attributively. Attributively means adjective plus noun. इसके नीचे मैंने एक बॉक्स में मैंने डाल दिया है only before noun. उसके बाद फिर दूसरा टाइप है हमारा प्रेडिकेटिवली, मींस प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव, मींस द एडजेक्टिव दैट इज यूज्ड विदाउट एनी नाउन, एडजेक्टिव प्लस नो नाउन, दैट इज प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव, नॉट बिफोर नाउन। आपने देखा जब भी, जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो क्लिप में मैंने बताया था कि जब किसी नाउन को आप डिक्शनरी में देखते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड डिक्शनरी की बात मैं करता हूं, तो वहां वर्ड मेंशन किए जाने के बाद उसका फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के बाद उसकी पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच, और पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच के ठीक बाद उसका नाउन के बारे में वो लिखा रहता है सी फॉर काउंटेबल और यू फॉर अनकाउंटेबल। ठीक उसी तरह एडजेक्टिव को जब आप देखेंगे तो वो एडजेक्टिव का, किसी वर्ड का एडजेक्टिव यदि, जैसा मैंने पूर्व के वीडियो क्लिप में मैंने बताया भी था, एडजेक्टिव यदि प्रयुक्त होता है तो जस्ट आफ्टर द एडजेक्टिव द फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ दैट वेरी एडजेक्टिव इज यूज्ड, एंड आफ्टर द फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन the part of speech of that very adjective is used, and just after the part of speech of that very word that is mentioned only before noun, not before noun, or usually before noun. तो ये इस ढंग से मैं खास करके यहां 2 तरह के एडजेक्टिव्स जो ओनली बिफोर नाउन आएगा, मीन्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ नाउन के पहले, कभी भी बिना नाउन का प्रयोग नहीं होगा, और उसके तहत आने वाले एडजेक्टिव्स हमारे ये हैं: मेन, चीफ, पोस्टल, मेडन, मार्शल, एंड दिस इज मैरिटल. Pay attention here especially to these words here. This is martial, M-A-R-T-I-L, martial, and this is M-A-R-I-T-L, marital, related to marriage. Planetary, preparatory, and here premarital, and here preferential, principal, and antenatal and postnatal. Some adjectives have been mentioned, and these adjectives coming in the left box here, these adjectives are used attributively, means whenever these words are used in a sentence, after these adjectives it is compulsory, it is mandatory to use a noun. Most important thing. And here in the right box, in the right column, here you find that some adjectives are used predicatively, means adjective plus no noun is used, means not before noun. Asleep, alive, alike, afloat, ashamed, alone, afraid, and upset. These are the adjectives that are used predicatively. And as per these types, these are a derival of these adjectives. Here there are 10 sentences in which you have to identify the erroneous part. So the first, I would like to read the first thing. I would like to read here the instruction, what we have to do. Identify the erroneous part in the following sentences. निम्नलिखित वाक्यों में आने वाले erroneous parts को आइडेंटिफाई करें. चले, नंबर 1 मैंने बताया ही कि ये 10 सेंटेंसेस में जो एरर आ रहे हैं वो सारे एरर्स बस इसी एट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव और प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव, इन्हीं सारे एडजेक्टिव से रिलेटेड हैं. चले, पहला सेंटेंस देखें हम लोग. मेंटली अपसेट पीपल आर सजेस्टेड टू परफॉर्म द योगिक प्रैक्टिसेस. देयर आर 2 adjectives here. Mentally is adverb, mind noun, mental adjective, and mentally adverb. Upset is adjective, people noun. Are suggested are auxiliary verb. Suggested is V3 form. To preposition perform, to perform, that is infinitive, 2 plus V1. Perform, the determiner article. Yogic related to yoga, yogic adjective, and practices noun plural. So there are 2 adjectives here, upset and yogic. So we have to be sure after seeing the words, these 2 words, upset and yogic, in the dictionary, especially in the advanced learners dictionary or in the standard dictionaries, we have to be sure whether these words are used, because everywhere this upset is also used before a noun. So we have to be sure whether the word upset is used attributively or predicatively. So let us see whether, oh sorry, here this word is here, upset is mentioned here, means predicatively, means after this adjective noun is used. So is this part here A, mentally upset people, right? No, part A is wrong. Why the part A is wrong? Because this adjective upset is used predicatively, not attributively, means after the adjective upset there is no use of any noun. So part A is here the erroneous part. I would like to write the answer, especially the erroneous part here in the answer zone, part A. And what will be the correct form? How will this sentence be rectified? If this part is asked to be rectified, how should we try to rectify this part? Mentally upset people, in place of these 3 words, mentally upset people, the words that should be used in place of mentally upset people means the people who are upset mentally. The people who are upset mentally are suggested to perform the yogic practices. So come on, I would like to write here mentally upset people, mentally upset people, mentally, mentally, mentally upset people, 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 and in place of these words I would like to write here the people who are upset mentally, mentally. This one is right and this one is wrong. The people who are upset mentally, and here in this part you may ask, sir, after upset there is a word mentally. Yeah, means after the adjective upset there should be no use of any noun. So is the word mentally a noun? No, mentally is an adverb. So this one is right here because mentally is here adverb and upset is adjective. So the people, वे लोग who are upset, who are upset mentally, जो मानसिक रूप से upset हैं, are suggested, the people are suggested, उन लोगों को सलाह दिया जाता है to perform the yogic practices, means to perform the practices regarding yoga, related to yoga. योगा से रिलेटेड प्रैक्टिसेस को परफॉर्म करने की सलाह दी जाती है. सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वाज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड एंड आई होप दैट यू वुड हैव बीन कॉन्फिडेंट why this part A is wrong and what the correct words would be mentioned in place of those incorrect words. Now let us proceed to the second sentence, and the second sentence is the service provided by the company for delivering something is postal. The service, here the is determinant. Let us identify every word of the sentence, what the part of a speech of the word is. The is determinant, article, service is noun, provided is V2 or V3 both. So what is this? Service provided. Service is subject and provided is V2. No, this is here V3. The service provided by the company, by preposition, the determiner, article, company, noun. For preposition, delivering, we perform gerund, delivering something, pronoun is to be verb, auxiliary verb, and postal is adjective. So let us find only one adjective has been used in the second sentence, and the adjective that has been used is postal. So let us find whether this word postal is used attributively or predicatively. Postal, postal, postal. Where is postal? Postal, 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 postal is here. Postal. Yeah, here in the first line. Oh, postal is here. Postal. And postal, this adjective is used attributively, not predicatively. Only before noun it is clearly apparently mentioned here that this word postal is used only before noun. But do you find any noun here in the second sentence? In part C, no, after postal there is no noun, that is full stop. So undoubtedly part C is wrong. No? Yeah, wrong. Why is part C wrong here? Because the adjective postal comes in where? Comes in the attributive, comes in the column of attributive adjective. Means the word postal is used attributively. Means the word postal will be used anywhere in a sentence just before a noun. If any noun is not used after the word postal, undoubtedly that very part would be erroneous, wrong. Okay, so come on. So I would like to write here the second sentence, the part C is erroneous here. C is erroneous. What would be the now the correct form? The service provided by the company for delivering something is postal. What? The service provided by the company for delivering something is a postal one, is a postal type. Okay, is the postal is in the postal way. It may be written the service provided by the company for delivering something is in the postal way, in the postal way, in the postal way. After postal way noun is here used. Okay, or is the postal one may be also used. So is in the postal way. The service, वो सेवा प्रोवाइडेड बाय द कंपनी, कंपनी के द्वारा प्रदान की जाने वाली वो सेवा, फॉर डिलीवरिंग समथिंग, किसी भी चीज को डिलीवर करने के लिए कंपनी के द्वारा प्रदान की जाने वाली सेवा इज इन द पोस्टल वे. वो सेवा किस चीज में होती है? इन द पोस्टल वे, इज इन द पोस्टल मैनर, पोस्ट के माध्यम से होती है. इज इन द पोस्टल वे और इज इन द पोस्टल मैनर. सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू राइट हियर is in the postal. Delivering something is postal. Is wrong here. Delivering something is postal. Delivering something, I would like to write here this short form of something, STH dot something is postal. Is postal. Here this one is wrong and the right form is the right form, the right words would be mentioned. Delivering something is in the postal manner. Delivering something is in the postal manner. Delivering something is in the postal manner. Delivering something is a postal one, also maybe mentioned, is a postal one. Postal one. That is also right. Postal one. And here this one is right and this one is wrong. This way. Number 3, the maid. The maid. Maid is noun here. Maid means the maid servant. The female worker generally working at our houses. Okay. So that very maid. नौकरानी कह सकते हैं आप इसे हिंदी में. The maid made the largest piece of cake. The maid, the is determiner, maid is noun, maid is V2 form here, finite verb. The is determiner article, largest is here adjective, the largest piece. Largest is the superlative form of adjective. Largest adjective, superlative form, piece is noun of preposition, cake noun, and conjunction got. Got is here again V2 form, just as maid is. These two finite verbs are being combined with the conjunction and got the prize. The is determiner, prize is noun, which is a pronoun, relative pronoun. Prize was maiden. Was is here auxiliary verb and maiden is here adjective. So there are two adjectives, largest and maiden. Largest is used attributively, that is already right. Maiden is used attributively or predicatively. Let us see here in this list. Maiden, maiden. Oh, here. Maiden is mentioned here. I am already here underlining this word maiden, M-A-I-D-E-N, maiden. And maiden is used attributively only. Means after maiden, it is compulsory to use a noun. So which part is erroneous? Again, part C is wrong. In the third sentence, part C is wrong here. I would like to write here, part C is wrong here. What will be the correct form? The maid made the largest piece of cake. उस नौकरानी ने सबसे बड़ा पीस ऑफ केक बनाया एंड गॉट द प्राइज, और उसने प्राइज प्राप्त कर लिया. एंड गॉट द प्राइज विच वॉज मेड एंड नो एंड गॉट द मेडन प्राइज. Just before the noun prize, we will use the adjective here. The maiden prize, और उसने maiden prize, first prize को जीत लिया. Okay, so maiden will be used here this way. And the wrong part, the prize which was maiden, that is wrong here. The prize which was maiden, the prize which was maiden, the prize which was maiden, and this one is wrong. And in place of this, what will be used? The maiden prize only. The maiden prize, the maiden, M-A-I-D-N, maiden prize, P-R-I-Z-E, prize. The maiden prize. This one is right here and this one is wrong. The prize which was maiden is wrong. Number 4, all started asking about his wife as he was the alone visitor. As he was the alone visitor, all started asking about his wife. All is here pronoun representing somebody. Sabone started asking, started is here V4 form, sorry V2, started is here V2 finite verb, and after started asking is here V4 form gerund. सबों ने पूछना शुरू कर दिया about his preposition. His is determiner possessive form, okay, determiner his. Here wife is noun. तो सबों ने उसके पत्नी के बारे में पूछना शुरू कर दिया. कब, क्यों पूछना शुरू कर दिया उसकी पत्नी के बारे में? सबों ने उसकी पत्नी के बारे में पूछना शुरू कर दिया. As he was the alone visitor, क्योंकि वो अकेला विजिटर था. Alone is adjective here, so we will have to see alone is used attributively or predicatively. Here alone is used here alone. Alone is used predicatively, means not before noun, adjective plus no noun. But here you find here that alone visitor, alone is here adjective and visitor is here noun, so this is wrong. what will be mentioned? Number 4. Part C is wrong. Number 4. And what will be the correct form? Was the alone visitor is wrong. In place of he was the alone visitor, what will be mentioned? In place of he was the alone visitor, I would like to write the erroneous part first of all. He was the alone visitor. He was the alone visitor. I have written here the wrong part. Now I would like to write here, he visited alone. He visited alone. He visited alone. He visited alone. Alone. This one is right. Okay. So here all started asking about his wife. सबों ने उसकी पत्नी के बारे में पूछना शुरू कर दिया. Why you all started? Why did all start asking about his wife? The reason was that as he visited alone, क्योंकि वो अकेले ही वो आ गया था फंक्शन में. Okay. Number 5. The important instructions given by the instructor were preparatory. The important instructions, अब आप देख ले रहे हैं कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. The is determiner, important adjective. Instructions is noun. Here important is adjective. Let us find all the parts of a speech of all the words. So the is determiner, important adjective, instructions noun. Given is V3 form. By is here preposition, the determiner, article, instructor is noun, were is auxiliary verb, and preparatory is adjective. So let us find important is used attributively or predicatively. Here important is not mentioned. Preparatory is used attributively or predicatively. Preparatory is here mentioned. Preparatory is here mentioned. And it is used attributively. So do you find any noun after preparatory? No, there is no noun. So which part is erroneous here? Part C is here wrong. Were preparatory, number 5, part C is here wrong. Were preparatory. And in place of were preparatory, what will be used? The important instructions given by the instructor. The important instructions given by the instructor were preparatory ones. Preparatory ones. Preparatory ones. Because already instructions have been mentioned, so in place of instructions, preparatory instructions may be also written. Preparatory instructions. But the repetition of any word is tried to be checked. Okay, so what will be mentioned? Were preparatory ones. Were preparatory ones. Were preparatory ones. Were preparatory ones. This one is here right and this one is here wrong. Number 5 is here this part. Let us proceed to the 6th sentence. Number 6. For being well versed in warfare and acquiring skills of martial, he joined the army. Being expert, for being well versed, well versed is adjective, for is preposition, being here before. For being well versed is here adjective. For being well versed means well trained, it may be said. For being well versed in preposition, warfare is noun, and conjunction, and acquiring is here V4 form, for being and for acquiring, two V4 gerunds are here combined with the conjunction and. For being well versed in warfare, for being well versed in what? किस चीज में वेल वर्स्ड होने के लिए? वारफेयर मींस स्ट्रेटेजिक कैपेसिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए, युद्ध क्षमता को बढ़ाने के लिए, वारफेयर युद्ध से रिलेटेड रणकौशल को बढ़ाने के लिए. फॉर बीइंग वेल वर्स्ड इन वारफेयर एंड एक्वायरिंग स्किल्स ऑफ मार्शल, और मार्शल एंड एक्वायरिंग स्किल्स को एक्वायर करने के लिए किस चीज की? ऑफ मार्शल. Martial of is preposition. Acquiring is before form. Skills is noun. Of is preposition. Martial is adjective. He, pronoun joined is here V2 form, finite verb. The is determiner. Army is noun. So martial is adjective And can any adjective is used just after a preposition? No, preposition is used before a noun, before a pronoun, and before a verb V for form. Already in the beginning, the first video clip, it has been already mentioned where any adjective is used and where any adjective is not used. So here of Marshall, Marshall is right. No, Marshall, let us find the word Marshall, Marshall, Marshall. Yeah, here. Marshall is here already mentioned. Marshall. Marshall is here, and this Marshall is used attributively, but here we find no use of any noun after Marshall adjective. Marshall is adjective and it is not used before a noun. That is why part B is here wrong. What will be mentioned? 6, part B is wrong, and the erroneous part is and acquiring skills of Marshall. And acquiring skills of Marshall. Skills of Marshall. Marshall. This one is wrong, and in place of this, what will be used? And acquiring Marshall skills. And acquiring Marshall skills. This one is right and this one is wrong. Let us see what the meaning of the sentence would be just after rectifying the part B. For being well versed, एकदम निपुण होने के लिए, दक्ष होने के लिए इन वारफेयर रण कौशल में, रणनीति में एकदम दक्ष होने के लिए, वेल वर्स्ड होने के लिए, एंड एक्वायरिंग मार्शल स्किल्स, और मार्शल स्किल्स को एक्वायर करने के लिए क्या किया उसने? तो ही ज्वाइंड द आर्मी, उसने आर्मी को ज्वाइन किया. नंबर 6, आई होप इट वुड हैव बीन क्लियर टू यू. नंबर 7, द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ द हाउस वाज पीसफुल because of the asleep children. The is determiner, environment noun, or preposition, the determiner article, house is here noun, was is here auxiliary verb, the finite verb, peaceful is here adjective, peaceful, peaceful, one adjective, because is here, because of is here preposition, because of together, because of preposition, the is determiner, asleep is here again adjective, and children is noun. So there are two adjectives here used, and the first adjective is here peaceful. This word peaceful is used attributively and predicatively both. So here peaceful is here predicatively because there is no use of any noun after peaceful. So peaceful is right here. Because of the asleep, asleep is adjective. Let us see whether the word asleep is used attributively or predicatively. Asleep here in the first, just as it is already mentioned, asleep is used predicatively, means after the word asleep adjective there is no use of any noun, but we find here already that asleep children, after asleep adjective there is the use of children noun. So this is why this part is wrong. Part C is wrong here. Asleep will be wrong. Here number 7, part C is wrong. And of the asleep children, of the asleep children, asleep children, children. In place of this, what will be the correct form? The correct form is in place of the asleep children, because the children were asleep, because the children of will be omitted. The children were asleep, and now here the children were asleep. Here asleep is predicatively used, and this is why the words written in black ink is right. Let us find what the meaning of the sentence would be just after rectifying the erroneous part. द एनवायरमेंट ऑफ द हाउस वाज पीसफुल, घर का वातावरण बिल्कुल शांत था, पीसफुल था। वाई? बिकॉज द चिल्ड्रन वर अस्लीप, क्योंकि बच्चे सोए हुए थे, बच्चे सोए हुए थे। नंबर 8, the afraid participants of getting injured are suggested not to participate in the race. Let us find the parts of a speech of the word. The is determiner, afraid adjective, afraid adjective. Participants is noun of preposition getting before form gerund. Injured, injured is again here V3 form adjective. Are is here auxiliary verb, the finite verb. Suggested is here V3 form, not is here adverb. To preposition and participate here verb V1 means 2 plus V1 is here infinitive. In preposition the is determiner and rest is noun. So which part is wrong? Part A, because after, let us find the word afraid. Afraid is here the adjective, and this adjective comes in the list of predicative adjective, means after the word afraid there is no use of noun, not before noun, never. This afraid means all these adjectives are not used before any noun, but here you find in sentence number 8 that afraid participants, noun is here mentioned participants. What will be mentioned? The participants who are afraid of getting. This way the sentence, this part will be rectified. So which part is here wrong? Part A. 8, sentence number 8, part A is wrong in place of afraid participants. The afraid participants is wrong. Part A is here wrong. The afraid participants, the afraid participants of getting, this is wrong. And in place of these words, what will be used? Yeah, the participants who are afraid of getting. The participants who are afraid of getting. Up to this part, this sentence is right now. Okay, the participants, वो सारे participants प्रतिभागी. The participants who are afraid of getting injured, जो injured हो जाने के बारे में डरे हुए हैं कि हम घायल हो जाएंगे शायद कहीं, वो सारे participants को are suggested, उनको सलाह दिया जाता है not to participate in the race, इस दौड़ में शामिल नहीं होने की सलाह दी जाती है. Who are suggested not to participate in the race? The participants who are afraid of getting injured, जो घायल हो जाने के बारे में डरे हुए हैं कि नहीं मैं डरूंगा तो शायद मैं घायल हो जाऊंगा. So those participants are suggested not to participate in the race. Number 9, the difficulties that are premarital are different from the ones coming after marriage. The difficulties that are premarital, अब आप देख रहे हैं एक एक वर्ड को आइडेंटिफाई करें हम लोग. द इज योर डिटर्मिनर, डिफिकल्टीज नाउन प्लूरल, दैट इज रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन वर्किंग हियर एज द सब्जेक्ट, आर इज योर फाइनाइट वर्ब. Premarital is adjective, means related to the time that is before marriage, that is premarital. So premarital, let us see the word premarital. Where is premarital? Where is premarital? It is not, is it not mentioned premarital? Yeah, here it is mentioned. This word is here premarital, and this word premarital comes in the list of the attributive adjective, means after this premarital, noun, the use of noun is mandatory, is compulsory. So the difficulties that are premarital, do you find any noun here after premarital? No. After the adjective premarital, there is the use of are, the auxiliary verb, no noun here. So that is why, which part is erroneous? Part A is erroneous. In sentence number 9, part A is erroneous. Part A is erroneous. And the difficulties that are premarital, this is wrong. The difficulties that are premarital is wrong. And in place of these words, what will be mentioned? The premarital difficulties. The premarital difficulties. The premarital difficulties. The premarital difficulties. The premarital difficulties मीन्स विवाह पूर्व जो कठिनाइयां होती हैं लाइफ में, शादी जब तक नहीं होती है और उस शादी नहीं होने के पूर्व जो कठिनाइयां होती हैं, वो कठिनाइयां आर डिफरेंट, भिन्न होती हैं फ्रॉम द वंस, उन कठिनाइयों से भिन्न होती हैं कमिंग, कौन सी कठिनाइयों से? कमिंग आफ्टर मैरिज, जो शादी के बाद आने वाली कठिनाइयां होती हैं उनसे भिन्न होती है शादी के पूर्व की कठिनाइयां, प्री मैरिटल डिफिकल्टीज. And here the premarital difficulties, you find that up just after the premarital adjective, you find here the noun difficulties. This way, 9, say in sentence number 9, part A will be rectified. Number 10, the last one, the last sentence. The ashamed gentleman feel of being involved in some antisocial activities mistakenly. Let us find the parts of a speech of every word. The is here determiner article. Ashamed is here adjective. Ashamed adjective. Gentleman. Gentleman is here noun plural. Feel is here V1 verb. Of preposition. Being V for form. Involved V3. In preposition some determiner. Antisocial adjective. Activities noun and mistakenly adverb. So how many adjectives do you find in the sentence number 10? In sentence number 10 especially 2 adjectives, ashamed and antisocial. Antisocial adjective is used attributively or predicatively, both. Antisocial. It is right here. Here ashamed, let us find ashamed is the adjective that is attributively used or predicatively. It is used attributively or predicatively. So ashamed, let us find here the word ashamed. Ashamed is here mentioned in the list of predicative adjective. Ashamed is here mentioned. Predicative adjective means just after ashamed no noun will be used. But here we find that the ashamed gentleman, gentleman is noun. So which part is erroneous here? Part A is here erroneous. So the ashamed gentleman is wrong. Part A is here the erroneous part, and the ashamed gentleman fail is wrong. The ashamed gentleman fail. This is wrong. What will be mentioned? The gentleman feel ashamed. The gentleman feel ashamed because it is used predicatively, and this way the correct words will be here. The gentleman feel ashamed, ashamed, ashamed. And this way this sentence is right. This way means the gentleman feel ashamed, और वो भद्र लोग, भद्र पुरुष ashamed फील करते हैं, शर्मिंदा महसूस करते हैं किस चीज के बारे में? तो ashamed is followed by the preposition of. Ashamed of, feel ashamed of being involved, इन्वॉल्व होने के बारे में वो शर्मिंदा महसूस करते हैं। किस चीज में इन्वॉल्व, किस चीज में लिप्त होने, इन्वॉल्व लिप्त होने के बारे में शर्मिंदा महसूस करते हैं? तो इन सम एंटी सोशल एक्टिविटीज, कुछ असामाजिक कार्यकलापों में इन्वॉल्व संलिप्त होने के विषय में वो शर्मिंदा महसूस करते हैं। कैसे वो असामाजिक कार्यों में कैसे संलिप्त हो गए? तो मिस्टेकनली, गलती से, मिस्टेकनली, नॉट इट मीन्स विलिंगली, जानबूझ करके, इच्छा पूर्वक नहीं, मिस्टेकनली, गलती से जो। सो दिस वे आपने देखा ऑल दीज 10 sentences were identified, means in all these 10 sentences the erroneous part were already identified, and what would be mentioned as the correct words in place of the erroneous words, it would have been, has already been discussed in this video clip. So I hope it would have been clear to you, and the board is already ready for you for taking the screenshot. I hope you would have already taken the screenshot. So now I would like to get permission from you that now I am going to finish this video clip here, and यही इसके बाद फिर आगे हम लोग मिलेंगे एडजेक्टिव के कंपैरिजन से रिलेटेड वीडियो क्लिप। अब मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको अब आगे वीडियो क्लिप कंटिन्यूअसली मिलने की है संभावना। सो मैं यही आज की इस वीडियो क्लिप को मैं यही ओवर करता हूं। थैंक यू, दैट्स ऑल।